He's gonna go bury it someday. I mean, uh, hey, let's take a look here. This is very unusual. I've never seen this before. He always buries my stuff. Okay, this is live. Eat it. That's your goodie. That's your goodie. Anyway, he's a watchdog, and he. Okay, there you go. Finally got him. I can't believe this, guys. Hold on a second. Hold on. I got to have it on camera. This guy's actually chewing up a rawhide rather than burying it. Very, 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 very rare. What a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. You are a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy.